Hello, my name is Tom Quinlan. I'm the Director of Quinlan Consulting Team. First of all, a little bit about myself. I started off and did an accounting degree about 10 to 15 years ago. I then moved into the CPA program and completed that. Most recently, I've completed the MBA program at Monash University. From a work experience side of things, I worked in a large company being Natural Foods for about 8 years. Worked across both financial accounting, management accounting, through even the IT side of things. Most recently completed the rollout of an SAP program at Natural Foods. On the business side of things, I started my business in 1999, being Quinlan Consulting Team, where we go out to small to medium-sized companies and we do everything from data entry through to management accounting. Our company runs a mentor program. The mentor program is designed to give you both the technical training through the courses that we offer, but more so, we're unique in the business in that we'll actually give you voluntary work experience. Having the management accounting and bookkeeping component of my company, we're able to bring some of the work experience across in the training programs, and you'll have the opportunity to go through and yourself learn on the job with real life customers and transactions to be able to build up both your technical knowledge but also build up your resume as you go along. In addition to that, the program also includes resume writing, interview practice and some other components that will actually help you get out there to get your paid job. The MYOB basic course is designed to give you an introduction into MYOB. We have no assumptions that you know how to use MYOB. However, if you do, it will be an advantage for you because you'll be able to progress through the course quicker. The course, being the MYOB basic course, is going to bring to you how to do sales, how to do purchases. We go through some GST codes, timing of BAS statements, and other business knowledge that you will need as well. The MYOB intermediate course is predominantly around payroll. About 7% of it is payroll. We go through not just how to do payroll transactions. Obviously, we will go through things such as annual leave entitlements, sick leave entitlements, roster days off. We will also break into some of the peripheral areas such as FPT, superannuation, work cover, areas such as that. So that if you're actually doing a payroll job in a company, we will make sure you've got the rounded skills to do the whole job. The MYOB intermediate course also then breaks into management reporting, so we look at job codes and areas such as that. The MYOB advanced course is designed to be cutting across all the other areas we've taught you, but at a higher level. So we will look at things such as how to customise forms. We will go through intercompany transactions in detail and actually do some practical exercises with those. We will go through bits and pieces such as bad debts, credit notes, and general tips of how to use the software. From there, we'll then break into month-end close processes, and importantly, looking at the entire spectrum of how to go through a BAS statement and how to prepare for a BAS statement lodgement. Our QuickBooks course is designed to be system-orientated. As a result of that, we have an expectation that you've been through our MYOB courses beforehand. The course only runs about each 3 months and is designed to get an extra qualification and system process on your resume. Our Advanced Excel course can be taken at any time. Even though it's an Advanced Excel course, we're very confident that our teachers will be able to get the knowledge across to you even if you don't have a strong background in Excel. We will go through things such as functions, VLOOKUPs, macros, pivot tables, some of those advanced functions that as you go to an interview, we want you to be able to have the confidence to say, yes, I know how to use Excel and I know how to do some of these advanced functions. The next component I'll talk about is our work experience. We're very unique in the marketplace in that we'll actually give you an opportunity to do real life work experience. An example of our work experience is that you'll have an opportunity to start off by doing my accounts for my business. We will load my real MYOB file onto your machine, and under the supervision of my bookkeeper, we will go through areas such as accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll, credit card reconciliations, bank reconciliations. Other examples of our work experience would be we have clients that will come and drop paperwork off to us. You'll have an opportunity to go through and do data entry of their paperwork into MYOB. In some cases, you'll have an opportunity to do it from our office, and in other cases, we'll allow you to do it from home. We have clients that need their payroll done. On a fortnightly basis, you will be able to come into our office, and actually, we will have their timesheets, and you'll be able to do payroll for them under our supervision. Throughout the month, our clients require additional work to be done. As a result of that, as you get towards the back end of the program, you'll have an opportunity to go out to client sites and actually work on site with that client. That could be across a number of different activities from data entry administration right through to accounts receivable, payroll, even helping out and assisting with areas such as management reporting and BAS statements. As our clients complete their BAS statements on a quarterly basis, each 3 months you'll have an opportunity to come into our office and we will load real clients' MYB files onto your machine that you are using. Again, you'll have an opportunity to go through and complete the batch statements under supervision. At the end of that, we will compare your results with the results that we have and help you to make sure that you're actually going to get those correct. Our HR manager will be on hand throughout the program to assist you with building up your resume to make sure that both the content and the format are professional. In addition to helping you with your resume, she'll be available to help you write your cover letter. We will also sit down with you individually one-on-one to interview you as if it was a real job. As a result of the fact that it's a mentor program, we are available to sit down with you throughout the program and look at your individual circumstances. What background do you have around experience? Do you want to go into management accounting, tax accounting, financial accounting? We will be available to sit down with you and guide you through how to get to your desired result. Added extras of the program include tutorials for you to take home and practice. We have opportunities for you to be involved in some of the networking groups that we have, where we have tax accountants come and talk about various topics such as fringe benefits tax or employee redundancy payments. We have an exam that you can take at any stage throughout the program that gives both you and me some feedback about how you're progressing through the course. If you're doing particularly strong in that exam, it also flags for us that potentially you're somebody we may want to take out of the actual mentor program and employ ourselves. We have negotiated an agreement with the Australian Accounting and Bookkeeping Institute, who is kind of like a CPA program for bookkeepers. They now accredit our training programs. So as you get a certificate for completing the program, you will also get accreditation stamp from the Australian Accounting and Bookkeeping Institute. We've also just completed an agreement with them that means if you complete our exam and get 75% or higher in our exam, you'll get automatic accreditation into the Australian Accounting and Bookkeeping Institute. A common question I get is, how long does the program take? The program is designed to be ongoing. The advantage of that is you can come and complete the course as slow or as fast as you like. Ideally, we say to people 3 to 5 months is a good time frame to complete the course, because the group sessions do require you to go home and practice in between them. Plus, we also have a lot of work experience that you need to be able to practice and build up as you go through. A disadvantage of getting through the program in 2 months, while it is possible, is that you'll only show 2 months worth of work experience on your resume. As you start to show 5-6 months resume experience, you're then going to be a realistic shot at going out and getting a paid job. Having said that, we don't kick anybody out of the program. We want you to stay with us for as long as it takes to build up your resume and experience to be able to get a paid job. So if that means you're with us for 6 or 12 months, that's great. If you can get through the program in 2 or 3 months and get a job, that's the idea of the program as well. So we are very flexible. All of our group training sessions run on both weekends and rotate the next month to be weekdays. Our voluntary work experience also rotates between weekdays and weekends where possible. We have a few restrictions around payroll, being a live payroll that must be done on a Wednesday.
So where to next? If you'd like to join straight away, you can go to quinlanconsultingteam.com, click on the training page and fill out a registration form for the mentor program. Or alternatively, you can email sales@quinlanconsultingteam.com to find out more information or attend a free information session.